Join me as I dive into the world of DJT stock secrets and see if I can uncover some hidden gems that could change the game. DJT stock strategies have been making waves in the investment community, and for good reason. What sets him apart is his unique approach to understanding market trends and making informed decisions. His methods have reportedly led to some impressive gains, and I'm excited to explore what makes them tick. Investing in the stock market can be daunting, especially for those new to the game. The sheer amount of information out there can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like you're missing out on key opportunities. Many investors struggle to identify reliable sources of information, and even then, it's hard to know how to interpret the data. This is where DJT's expertise comes in. His insights offer a beacon of clarity in a sea of confusion. By cutting through the noise, DJT helps investors focus on what really matters. Another challenge investors face is the emotional roller coaster that comes with market fluctuations. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and make impulsive decisions, but DJT's approach emphasizes the importance of staying calm and rational. By doing so, investors can avoid common pitfalls and make more informed choices. DJT's stock secrets also shed light on the value of patience and persistence in the investment process. Understanding the stock market requires a certain level of technical knowledge, but it's not just about numbers and charts. DJT's methods take into account a range of factors, from market sentiment to global events. By considering these variables, he develops a more comprehensive picture of the market and makes more accurate predictions. This holistic approach is a key part of what sets his strategies apart. DJT's stock selections are carefully researched and thoughtfully chosen, reflecting his investment philosophy. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, a clear competitive advantage, and a demonstrated ability to adapt to changing market conditions. His investment approach is built around the idea of long-term growth, rather than short-term gains. By focusing on quality companies with a solid track record, DJT aims to minimize risk and maximize returns. One of the most interesting aspects of DJT's approach is his emphasis on risk management. He understands that even the best investment strategies can go awry, and that it's essential to have a plan in place for managing potential losses. By diversifying his portfolio and setting clear goals, DJT minimizes his exposure to risk and maximizes his potential for long-term success. So, what's the most surprising secret from DJT's stock approach? For me, it's his willingness to go against the crowd. In a market where many investors follow the herd, DJT isn't afraid to take a contrarian view. By doing so, he's able to capitalize on opportunities that others may overlook. This contrarian approach requires a high degree of conviction and a deep understanding of the market, which is exactly what DJT brings to the table. The implications of this approach are significant, as it challenges conventional wisdom and offers a fresh perspective on investing. By being open to unconventional ideas and perspectives, investors can expand their knowledge and potentially boost their returns. This willingness to challenge assumptions is a hallmark of DJT's approach and one that I believe can make a real difference in investors' portfolios. In DJT's stock approach, there's a clear emphasis on education and empowerment. He believes that investors should be informed and equipped to make their own decisions, rather than relying on others. By sharing his insights and expertise, DJT aims to level the playing field and give individual investors a fighting chance. To sum it up, the key insights from DJT's stock approach include the importance of a well-researched investment strategy, a focus on risk management, and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. These takeaways have significant implications for viewers looking to improve their stock market knowledge and make more informed investment decisions. If you've got thoughts on DJT's strategies or questions about his approach, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. If you're looking for more investment tips and insights, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be diving into another fascinating topic in the world of finance.